one of the most important question in SQL is where versus having clause. I have been through many interviews of SQL and it has been asked to me many times. And definitely if you have gone through the SQL interviews, it has been asked to you many times also. So basically the interviewer wants to know how deep you know about the where clause and having clause. How do you apply where clause, or basically the conditions, and which conditions do you apply where and in which conditions do you apply having clause. Hello everybody, this is Naval. Today I'm going to talk about where clause versus having clause, and definitely after watching this video you are going to rock the interview if this question is asked to you in any interview of SQL. Let's get started. Where clause is always applied before the group by conditions. If you are using the group by conditions to grouping the items, definitely it will be asked before it will be applied before the group by conditions. And having clause is always used after the group by clause, and it will not be used alone. It will always be used with the group by clause. So let's understand it through the practical. So if we have now we have a table called TBL employee, and here we have a column called gender. So we will use that column gender, comma, and sum of salary. We will extract the salary of employees gender wise. So we will use first group by on gender. So and here, so let's give the name to this column as, let's say, salary. So here we have two columns, gender. There are three categories in gender: male, female, and unknown. And here the salary is given over here. If I apply where clause, so it will be always used before the group by. Let's do the practical on it. And definitely if I'm using where clause, it will be used, let's say, if gender is male, and then group by gender, so it will give me the answer of male only. And let's copy it and then apply the same in having clause. Let's having sum of salary is greater than, let's say, 30,000. So here we will have two records where the salary is greater than 30,000. So there are two categories, male and female. So both are used for the conditions. So always having will be used after group by, and where will be used before group by. And you must be knowing that aggregate, it cannot be used. Where clause cannot be used with the aggregate functions, and the having clause will be used with the aggregate function. Here aggregate function is sum, so we can use it. We can use having clause with the sum, average. So, and we cannot use it with the where clause. If we try to use it with the aggregate function, it will give us an error. Let's say if I will use where sum of a salary is greater than 30,000, so it will give us an error. So let's execute it, and it is saying an aggregate may not appear in the where clause. So it is giving an error over here. So next is, so filter always where in where clause, it always filter rows before the aggregate functions, because what happens, it is always used with the before the group by clause, and group by clause and before the group by, it filters all the conditions. Let's say if I talk about this query, what is happening in this query is, it is filtering all the data. We have 8 records in it, and out of 8 it is selecting, or it is basically extracting 3 records out of it, and then it is grouping those 3 records. And in having clause, what is happening, it is already grouping all the genders. It is grouping all the genders. There are 3 types of genders. It will group all the genders, and then conditions will be applied through the having clause. So next is use index. Basically, where clause use the index if there is a index is created on the table. If and in having clause we are not able to, we cannot use the indexes. And where clause always evaluates for rows, because it always searches on the basis of rows, whereas having clause always works on the group. I've already told you that it is all, this query is filtering first all the males. So basically it is checking all the rows, that is it male, is it male, is it male. If yes, then it is filtering those male data, and then it is grouping those records. And here in this conditions, basically what is happening, it is grouping first, and then the condition is applying on those filtration on those groups. Next is where clause can be used with the select, with the update, with the delete, but we cannot use with having clause with those all. We can use having with select only. Next is definitely if where clause is always faster than the having clause. So that was the total summary of where versus having clause. I hope you liked the video, and it must give you some extra input to your knowledge. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.